welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantini Ash and I am a fitness enthusiast, a karateka and a YouTuber. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing it first and click the bell icon. Watch the latest videos which recently I have uploaded. It's almost 8 to 9 months I am uploading video on YouTube, but recently not on a frequent basis, but I will try to make videos on YouTube on your request, because so many people are telling me that why are you not that much frequent on YouTube like you used to be before. Let me tell you guys that I am recently more active on Instagram. My Instagram handle name is Lady of Dreamland. You can go and follow me there for fitness videos, wellness videos, and sometimes health and beauty contents too. So today I am here with another fitness regime. I will be showing you some of basic lower body movements which you can do both in home or gym. The posture will be same, but the instruments or with the equipments you are going to train will be different. So today I'm going to teach you how to do that in home and as well as gym. And also I'm going to talk about one health product which I recently got from Wow Skin Science, which is omega-3. So I'm going to tell you all the benefits of consuming omega-3 and about the dosage and about the brand Wow. So without wasting any further time of yours, let's get started with the video. Know that training leg muscles are important because our legs have the biggest muscles of our body, and a human structure is all about a healthy spine and strong legs. If you don't have strong legs, you will feel tired even after a 10 minutes small walk. Your hamstring will feel tiredness. You will feel sore throughout the day if you don't have power in your legs. Even if I think all the men and women who focuses on only training their arms, they want to get big biceps, they want to get rid of their arm fats, because especially for ladies, they want to wear sexy sleeveless clothes and they want to get rid of those arm fats. Let me tell you guys, if you don't train your legs and if you don't do proper cardio, you cannot do spot reduction. Spot reduction is a myth. So first you have to have strong legs, you have to train your legs, then you have to do proper cardio, and if you do arm workouts, then only then it's possible that you will get rid of those arm fats. Otherwise it's not possible. So always try to do proper leg warm-ups too before doing any arm workout session. That's important, and you will feel the difference in the energy when you are doing those arm workouts if you do proper warm-up of full body including your legs. So today let's not waste much time and let's show you some basic exercises which you can that's a mosquito, sorry. Some basic exercises which you can do along with your arm day workouts. That will be very basic one. You can do in home or you can do in gym, wherever you want. So let's start with it. Video is done, and now let me talk about some nutritional fact which we should know. As you all know, after pandemic it's very important that we need to take care of our health, immunity and diet. Our diet plays major role in maintaining our healthy body, and for that we need to take proper minerals every day, and out of which today I'm going to talk about omega-3. Now what is omega-3? Omega-3 is something which our body does not produce by its own. We have to take it from the outside resources. Now let me tell you what are the natural resources of omega-3 and how does it work for our body. Well, omega-3 is something which works for our healthy heart, healthy bone, and also healthy brain functionality. So let me tell you that whenever we fold our knees or some joints, we get some cracking sound sometime, and we feel that, oh my god, are we having some kind of osteoporosis or what? But no, that's not the case. Maybe that's the deficiency of omega-3 fatty acid in your diet. And also for maintaining a proper brain functionality and proper heart functionality, doctors recommend to take you omega-3 and incorporate omega-3 rich diet. Now what are the natural resources from where you can get omega-3? Well, the main natural resource of omega-3 is flaxseed. You can take 40 to 50 grams of flaxseed per day. You can grind it in your mixer and mix it with curd or fruit juices or your salads, anything. And then also chia seed is having omega-3 fatty acid, and also walnut. Now sometimes it's not possible that we can take omega-3 from natural resources because we are not having time. So for that I have the best solution, which is the Wow Life Science omega-3 fatty acid. And if you don't know about the brand Wow, let me tell you, Wow is a complete Indian brand. It produces skin cares and health cares, whatever you need. I really like the other Wow products, like their shampoos and conditioners and everything. And also recently I'm in love with their health products too. Now this is the packaging of omega-3 they are having. The list of ingredients is written over here, and from the scanner code you can scan the QR code, and also you can get all the information needed regarding the product from internet. And also recently Wow is selling their products offline, so if you want their product and check out their product and then want to buy, so go to your nearby shop and search for Wow product. You will definitely find your need. All the products of Wow skincare or healthcare comes in this kind of packaging, and you will find all the ingredients listed over here. Actually for omega-3, let me tell you, omega-3 consists of main 3 ingredients. One is ALA, another is EPA and DHA. ALA is plant-based and EPA and DHA are basically fish oil. Here we are having EPA and DHA ratio of 3:2. That means you will get lots of fish oil from consuming Wow omega-3 capsules. Now let me talk about the dosage of this product. You can take 2 tablets per day, one in the morning and another in the evening. And remember to have lots of water after consuming omega-3, because otherwise it's gonna give you a fishy burp throughout the day. And also you can get to know about what actually omega-3 does from this Wow packaging. It supports healthy bones, healthy heart, and also reduces blood triglyceride level. So if you are not getting enough omega-3 from your natural resources, you can always consider having Wow omega-3, as this is one of the best supplements of Wow skincare and healthcare brands. Now let me show you the inner packaging. This kind of packaging they are giving. You can check out the manufacturing date, expiry date, what does it consume, and when you have to consume it, everything from the packaging. It's a totally sealed packet, and here you can get to know about the QR code from which you can check the originality of the product after you buy it from any online shop. You can check the product on Amazon, or you can check it from the Wow app, or I think it's available on Nykaa. Just check it out. So this is about this Wow omega-3. The price of the product is $8.99. The MRP is written in the inner packaging as well and also on the outer packaging. I suggest is before consuming any minerals or vitamins, always research about it, that what work it actually does for your body, and then consume. Never neglect taking multivitamins or minerals, because sometimes from natural resources it's not possible to get everything what we need to maintain a healthy body, and then we have to take supplements from outside. So it's better to take care of your health from a young age rather suffering at the old age. So yes, that's my one of the supplement which I take regularly and which is from Wow. So check out the product and let me know in the comment section below if you are getting benefits from it. So that's it about today, guys. I hope you like both the parts of the video. That is, one is fitness part and another is all about omega-3. And if you like both the parts, do not forget to like this video, comment about what fitness content or what wellness content you want to see in my YouTube channel or Instagram handle next. Maybe I'll soon be back on my channel. I think it's next week I'll be coming with another video of on fitness or wellness. So if you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, because sharing is caring. If you share this video, then only I can reach more and more people, and at least I can try to solve their fitness and wellness issues. So that's it for today. See you soon. Stay super cool, super fit, stay safe, stay fit and stay strong.